Profiting Forex trading strategy. This strategy is made for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5, and you cannot use it on derived platform also. This is a winning strategy that anyone can use. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. And in the course of this video, I'm going to show you the setting for this particular strategy for all the indicators I use for this Forex trading strategy. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Glad to come your way again. I would like to show you this winning strategy that is made for MetaTrader 4. And it is simple to use. I've combined few indicators together, and make sure you follow the rule before you place any trade. Now, let me show you how to use it. Number one thing you have to look out for is this indicator turning from red to black, and then we have this indicator that look like circle ball here, and the third indicator is this Renko maker indicator and the MACD. And how you use this, you must make sure that all the indicators are in agreement before you place your trade. And here we have this indicator also, and I'm going to show you the value for each indicators in the course of this video. So we might not be able to check the history based on this indicator that give us the extreme overbought, oversold, and overbought ultimate overbought zone, because we draw this line each day, so we will not be able to use it to check the history. But you can use the other indicator, the confirmation from the other 4 indicators, to trade. For instance, we have it here, all the indicator were in agreement at this particular point for a sell, and so you will ride the trend. And here is another buy also, and this is black, then you place your trade. Here we have this also, MACD, Renko, and the signal indicator all in agreement, and here also we have all this in agreement. And let me show you how I enter this particular trade that are running right now. I have 3 trades running that I use this particular strategy to place. So this is how I use it. I have this ball indicator here, and followed by MACD indicator that turn black from red, indicating this is a buy signal. And then number 3, if you look at this Renko indicator, also confirm this at this particular point, and we have this red. And the last indicator that give us this zone, this extreme overshoot, overbought, and ultimate support. Now you find out that at this particular point we have all the indicators in agreement. This is the ultimate support zone, and the reversal can take place at this particular point. And when we have the first indicator in agreement, you wait for all the indicators to agree at this zone. So at this particular point, I place my trade, and here is it right now. All the indicators are in agreement, and stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low where I put my stop loss, or you put it below the extreme overshoot. And this is where where you can place your stop loss and your take profit. You can target the middle central pivot points or the upper level, and make sure you trade your profit, lock in part of your profit as the market continue to move in your favor. And this is how to use this particular indicator. Just make sure all indicators are in agreement, then before you place your trade. So you can use it on any time frame you want. And here we have everything in agreement also, except the ball that is not present for now. But I do place my trade because I have like a 3 of this indicator, 4 of these indicators in agreement, and these Forex rules are accurate. Make sure you follow the rules before you place your trade. And this is it on the AUD New Zealand dollar. At this particular point also, we have all the indicators in agreement, all the Forex indicators for MetaTrader 4 are in agreement at this particular point. So this is a good uh, trade to enter. This is a good setup and you can use it this way also. It is simple. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement and you will be fine. Now let me show you the setting for each of the indicator used for this particular strategy. And the first indicator that gives us this black to red color to crimson rather is this signal indicator, and this is the color that I use. And here there's nothing to change, just the color, and then click OK when you are done. The second indicator is this circles indicator, this chartles indicator, and there's nothing to change here beside the color, and then click OK when you are done. And this indicator that gives us this support zone or overbought zone is this particular indicator, this marine matte indicator. I change the color, you can change it. I turn all this to none so that we have only the central value and the overbought and oversold only. I turn off the other colors, but if you want it you can turn it on, but I want my chart to be clean, so make sure you pause the video and enter it accordingly. I think the only thing you need to change here is the color, and if you don't want to change anything, make sure you leave it the way it is and trade with it. And the symbol changer, there's no need to explain that. And this is the record confirmed record maker confirm indicator, and these are the color I use for this particular indicator. This red, black, this is where I change it, and this is the input. If you want the alert, you can leave it the way it is. If not, you can turn it off. Just double click on it and turn it off. And the last indicator here is double MACD, and this is the color I use, red and black for this last, and the crossover I use the orange and the white color, and the value remain the same. The fast EMA is 12 and the slow EMA is 26, and signal SMA is 9. So this is all the indicators and the setting for all the Forex tools that I use for this particular strategy, and this is how to use it. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and the download link for this particular strategy for all the indicator I use is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, and do give me that thumb up. Bye for now.